Hi, my name is Latoya, and in this tutorial we will learn how to reserve media equipment on the library's website. In the top right corner, click on Using the Library, and from the drop-down menu under Computers and Equipment, select Equipment, click on Equipment Reservation page, and this will bring you to a list of several items that you can check out for your project. Once you select the item that you want to use for your project, you click on it to check the availability. If the item is in blue, that means it's available. If it's red, it's unavailable. Click on the time that you want for the item that you selected. You can either add it to the cart and continue to add other items, or you can add to cart and check out. Log into your MyBama account. Verify that the item you selected is correct and scroll down to the bottom to continue and submit your booking. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you.